Hi. It's the third video for the Programming Fundamentals. This video series is mainly for MCA first year students. In this video I will show you some examples of algorithm. First example is let us try to develop an algorithm to compute and display the sum of two numbers. The algorithm is as follows. The second example is let us try to develop an algorithm to compute and print the average of a set of data values. The algorithm is as follows. The third example is write an algorithm to check whether the given number is prime or not. The algorithm is as follows. These are the main examples of the algorithm. The remaining sections of the video will be continued. Thank you.